Ashita and Gudu came at 11:30. Me and Prasha came at 11:40. These people came now. What the fuck? Why they're so late? Those people. She came little okay. This Rohit and Missy is so bad, bro. They're so bad. We got so much angry on them. Literally, they came so much late.
Sorry, not me. Rohit should say sorry.
It's a girl's date, but I don't know why.
How it looks from outside. What is this? Board nahi hai isko. And this is the thingy. This is the tracks, guys. Look at this. Damn, bro. Damn. Coats and those are the helmets. And और क्या है?
Cap.
हाँ, those are the caps.
Sweat వచ్చి నీ హెల్మెట్ ఖరాబ్ కావు.
Okay, sweat వచ్చి ఖరాబ్ కాకుండా. See, there's 3 people. First, Rohit, Ashita, and Manasa are going. And these people are just recording videos. We are going to go in the second round, though. Won't be wearing any coat, just because. Look at him. Oh, nice. Look at us both. Kyapta.
Yeah, drift got drift.
Drift.
Ashita is perfect.
Manasa! It's okay, it happens. What's that? 11 is Ashita, 12 is Manasa. Woo! Inkoka happen. Get it. Ashita na tanu? Ayyo! Oh my god, that was Rohit, katam. Manasa. Manasa. He's done with his race. How was your experience? Normal.
స్లోగా ఉండే.
He won the race.
Slow.
Nice. These people are coming. Riders are coming.
కోల్ మైన్స్ లో మీ పని ఎట్లుండే?
తీసిన
ఆశిత.
How is your experience, guys?
మళ్ళా గుద్దినాను ఈడ.
Super.
అది నేను జరిపినా కాబట్టి బతికే పని లేకపోతే మళ్ళీ గుద్దుతూ తెలుసా. డ్రిఫ్టింగ్ మీరు వద్దమ్మా, ఎట్లా గుండె అయిపోయింది ఇలా అయితే నడుపుతుంది.
3 times literally.
ఎవరు
నేను ఆడ
అదు రాంగ్ ఎట్లా తెలుసా, మధ్యలో రూట్ చేస్తుంది, కొత్తగా రూట్ క్రియేట్ చేసేది మధ్యలో అక్కడ ఉంది చూసినప్పుడు. నేను మంచిగా నడిపిన, నిసి వచ్చి మధ్యలో లేపేసింది, ఈ వచ్చి మధ్యలో లేపేసింది. అమ్మా అడ్డు రాలే. సరిపోయింది.
was so fucking good. It was so good. You guys need to come with your friends here. You'll enjoy like hell. Nice experience. Now we ordered the food.
So we ordered the food. We got the scene here.
Girl state, guys. They're talking about the go-karting. This is egg fried rice and paneer chili. Nice stuff. And veg manchuria is there. Yeah. Chili. Manasa is
Cheese spoon.
Manasa is showing us the tour. Let's go. Okay.
So guys, we can have so much fun.
Yeah, this is a seating area for food and everything.
Relaxing.
Yeah, Haston, this is the thingy.
Yeah, we can see indoor games.
Yeah, indoor games. Today is Republic Day, so yeah. They decorated with playing billiards or something. Oh, nice.
This is the very come with friends and you can play video games with them.
Yeah. What is that, VR? Yes, they do have VR. And what is this? I don't know what is this called, but yeah.
Something everywhere. Maybe it's 4 people. They throw a ball somewhere. We should stop like goal, you know, no? Like this.
Oh, okay. Done. Got it.